Hello guys, welcome to Cloud Rocker. So in previous video we talked about integrating Liquibase with Spring Boot. So we need to know first of all the prerequisites, what we needed to continue with this tutorial. So the second step I have included here, it's about like basic knowledge of Java and Spring Boot. And if you guys are here, that means you know all both things, Java and Spring Boot. Next, what kind of tools you needed. So you can use JDK 8 or later. So I'm going to use Java 17 or JDK 17 Eclipse Maven build we are going to use, and we need definitely an IDE. So I'm going to refer Eclipse. It's much simpler as compared to IntelliJ. I figured out this is quite sometimes a bit clumsy when we are using, but yeah, it's a great tool for production based tools or softwares. But for this tutorial I'm going to pick Eclipse, and yeah, but you guys are free to use any of the tool. If you have any third tool, you can use it, which supports integrating Maven or Gradle. Then we have to pick one database because ultimately it's about database schema management thing. So we have to pick Postgre, MySQL, Oracle, or any other database you want to use. So that's about the tool. And if required, of course not in initial videos, but later we will run some Liquibase commands. So there you might need some Liquibase binaries. So you can also download that from Liquibase site. So that I've already mentioned here on download section. If you go, so it gives us two options, Windows or Mac or Linux machines. So on Windows, either you can go for the installer, so that will get installed like from the exe file, or you can download its zip file. So you will get basically a tar or zipped file. So unzip it, explore all the zip files, and there you can find the Liquibase thing. So once we do this, executing the Liquibase commands, then I will show you how to proceed with that. But for now, for the sake of simplicity, will I will not continue with this installation or downloading or set up the path of Liquibase. So we will do this in next video. So let's meet in next video, and we'll continue on the remaining steps.